coding skills are required in more than 50% of job postings about the competitive edge that coding gives you in the industry, your salary, what your next opportunity will be. Welcome to our exciting journey into essential coding skills for technology careers. Hi, I'm Dr. Daniel Downs, a professor with extensive experience in technology education. Are you ready to transform your career with technology? Today, we're going to uncover the must-have skills related to coding and programming that are great to add to your resume. So even if you're not a developer or maybe you're a creative type, these are some essential skills that you can easily add to your resume in a variety of different ways that can help you get advanced opportunities in your technology career. Let's get started with some eye-opening data which highlights the necessity of coding skills in your career. These stats are going to show you why it's essential that you begin considering adding these to your resume and your steps moving forward with finding a job in technology. You're going to find that coding is a valuable skill for everybody. Let's talk about the data related to the job market demand for coding skills. First up, according to LinkedIn, basic coding skills are required in more than 50% of job postings that are not directly related to software development. This trend shows how integral that coding skills have become across a wide range of industries. Now let's talk about skills for the future. The World Economic Forum predicts that by 2025, 50% of all workers are going to need reskilling, and coding is going to be a key part of this skill set. This underscores a huge market demand for coding skills as part of job skills moving forward. Now let's talk about the competitive edge that coding gives you in the industry. Having coding skills, not only is it going to significantly boost your employability, but also your salary. Non-developers who learn to code can expect to make more than 20% more than their peers without coding skills. So stick around and we're going to dive deeper into the necessity of coding skills in your career, talk about the roles related to coding skills, and some of the key programming languages that you should be considering learning. Be also to visit digitalfutureseducation.com for more resources, coaching, and courses to help you with your career. Learn more about our mission to empower individuals with essential technology skills. I'm here to help you all along this journey. Stick around as we help you enhance your career skills related to coding and technology. Let's talk about in-demand coding skills and roles in technology careers. With a growing reliance on digital technologies, coding skills are becoming essential in a wide variety of roles. These roles include digital marketing, data analysis, project management, design and user experience. Your coding and programming skills are going to help you utilize data to efficiently make decisions more effectively and more productively. In digital marketing, it's going to help you with search optimization and the development of websites and other online content. With project management, coding and programming skills are going to allow you to automate and streamline tasks. With design and user experience, coding is going to help you create interactive content and interactive experiences. Coding skills are tremendously important. In today's tech world, which is incredibly demanding, coding skills are tremendously valuable for career development and growth. Understanding how to program can tremendously help your productivity, enhance how you streamline processes, and contribute to higher efficiency. Programming languages such as Python, SQL, and HTML can open the door to high-paying and in-demand careers. These careers can also be tremendously rewarding, allowing you to exercise your skills as a programmer, designer, or creator. Employers are also always looking for those who can adapt their skills to be the most efficient and productive on their teams. This helps with driving innovation within their organization. So adding these skills to your repertoire is going to help make you indispensable, help you be more productive, help you have a wider range of entry variety of career. Now let's talk about 4 essential coding skills that not only will engage you, but also set you apart from others. The first skill is using Python for automation. First off, Python is a powerful language that's great for repetitive tasks, helping to make workflows more efficient. Whether you're in marketing, human resources, or finance, learning Python can help your work be more efficient, save you errors, and most importantly, reduce time. The next skill is HTML and CSS for web development. These are the building blocks of the web. These skills allow you to create and stylize websites. Even if you're not a web developer, knowing HTML and CSS can help you update existing marketing websites, customize online platforms within your industry, and help you understand and improve the user experience. The next skill is SQL for data management. SQL is essential for querying and managing databases. It enables you to extract valuable data, which allows you to make crucial and informed business decisions. If you work in sales, marketing, or even operations, SQL can be tremendously beneficial to your skill set. It's also going to enhance your data handling ability. The next skill is JavaScript for interactivity. JavaScript brings interactivity to web pages. It's a powerful tool for creating interactive content. This also promotes user engagement. Understanding JavaScript is going to give you an advantage in careers which require you to understand the interactivity of websites and applications, specifically those that rely on heavy engagement by the user. So visit digitalfutureseducation.com for more resources, courses, and coaching programs on these coding skills plus many other critical skills. Let's talk about setting career goals. Setting clear and achievable goals in regards to your technology career is crucial. Start by identifying your strengths and your weaknesses, then do the research and see what skills and what roles align with your strengths and weaknesses. Consider pursuing certifications to help support the skills you want to develop or deepen your education related to these skills. Also, networking with professionals in these fields is tremendously beneficial. Not only will it give you insight into what the career is like, what the necessary skills are, but also begin your first steps towards understanding who works in these fields, how they get their jobs, and what entry-level opportunities can look like. Now, let's take a step and think about how to set SMART goals for this process. I want to give you an example SMART goal so that you can see some of the actions related to the SMART goal in regards to coding skills for your career. And let's quickly review what a SMART goal is. It's a goal which is specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. Let's take a quick look at what a SMART goal looks like. We're going to do this by looking at Python for automation. So in the area of specific, we're going to set the goal of I want to learn Python for automation. To make this goal measurable, I am going to take 3 Python courses in order to take that next step forward. To help make this goal attainable, I am going to study 1 hour each day within this topic in order to improve my knowledge of Python for automation along with the courses I'm taking. Now let's work on making it realistic. I'm going to do this for the entire year. And the time-bound part of a goal is basically setting a measure and deadline. By December 31st, I will have completed the courses and the certification, and I will also have been consistent with my study all along the way. Now, by setting that goal, not only have you set a goal, determined what you need to achieve the goal, but you've also identified the resources to help you meet the goal, and then you are prepared to take the next step after that goal. Success in the technology career industry does require setting career goals and taking steps forward to help meet the needs of what you want to do next. Let's now take a look at some of the career pathways that are available. There are a wide range of opportunities related to coding and programming. Each has a unique focus, and there are many, many opportunities. Let's take a look at some of these and see which ones you might want to consider pursuing. The first role is data analyst. Often a data analyst has a bachelor's degree, computer science, or a related field. A few of the certifications you might want to consider when thinking about the role of a data analyst are the Microsoft Certified Data Analyst certification. Another is the Google Analytics Professional certification. Some of the essential skills that you might want to consider related to data analyst are SQL, Python, and the ability to create data visualizations using a wide variety of tools. You might find that you're particularly talented at visualizing data that can be complex or identifying critical data points. The next role I'd like to talk about is the digital marketer. Often, a digital marketer has a bachelor's degree in an area related to marketing, art, graphic design, or business. Some certifications to consider are Google Analytics for their business data, also HubSpot's content marketing certification. Some essential skills related to digital marketing are SEO, search engine optimization, certification, HTML and CSS as we've discussed, and also JavaScript, the language around interactivity. Opportunities to get involved with digital marketing can come from internships, specific projects, working within a marketing campaign. All of these are great entry-level points to get started with digital marketing. The next role is project manager. Often a project manager has a business degree, a marketing degree. A project manager often has experience with managing projects in a wide variety of business environments. Two certifications to consider for this role are the PMP, Project Manager Certification, and also the Agile Certified Practitioner. Some skills related to what we've been discussing is like Python for automation, SQL, and project management software like Monday.com, Trello, or something that helps you manage online projects and outcomes and deadlines. You want to be able to get involved with internships, maybe working with a project manager, becoming more involved with a deeper project and managing outcomes for a project, assisting a project manager, and certifications will help you understand the role tremendously. Now let's talk about the user experience designer. Often they have a bachelor's degree in art, design, or graphic design and understand well the user experience and how it relates to design elements. Key certifications for a UX designer can include Adobe Certified Expert, Google's UX Designer certification. Some of the essential skills will definitely involve design skills, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, the ability to troubleshoot code, understand how a page is being interacted with, and understand key design essential skills so that they understand in a marketing environment, in a web environment, what the user is looking to do with an application and how that can benefit the business. You could consider some design boot camps to get started, internships, and once again, personal projects or freelance work. So the final step here is how to get started. All of this begins with a single step. Whether you're a student or a career changer or just looking to upskill, online courses, boot camps, and resources are all things you need to investigate to help you take the next step with your career. Join tech communities, meetups, ways to get mentors into your life and begin to see what your next opportunity will be. You're going to want to expand your networking opportunities and become in a position for hands-on projects. So check out our website, digitalfutureseducation.com, subscribe to a course, join a community. We'll help you get up and going and the next step for your career. Digital transformation is reshaping industries across the board. It's all about making businesses more efficient and productive with technology, improving customer experiences, and helping to support innovative business models with technology. As industries continue to embrace digital transformation, the demand for coding skills is just going to tremendously continue to grow. So take advantage of the opportunity to get coding skills into your resume so that you can have opportunities moving forward. It will help you make an impact in the career that you choose and provide career growth and engagement all along the way. Remember, coding skills are valuable across industries. Take the first step and we'll see you in the next video.